2025 Toyota Land Cruiser is the adventurous SUV that's equipped to keep up with your active lifestyle. And with its on-road comforts and a high degree of sophistication, it looks like that next weekend getaway will be packed with excitement. Get ready to hit the road to epic adventure with Land Cruiser's powerful iForce Max hybrid EV powertrain. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser has the type of confident performance that inspires drivers to hit the road in search of adventure. It all starts with its iForce Max hybrid EV system that delivers a potent 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Then there's the impressive traction. Standard full-time four-wheel drive with a Torsen limited slip center differential and the standard multi-link rear coil spring suspension make Land Cruiser so capable off the beaten path. And when drivers go further, smart features like the standard crawl control, standard locking rear differential, available multi-terrain select, and the available stabilizer disconnect mechanism help enhance Land Cruiser's off-roading capability. And a maximum towing capacity of 6,000 pounds lets you bring even more gear for the next great escape. Of course, all this capability is complemented by a style that pays tribute to Land Cruiser's heritage, giving it a look that's as iconic as its performance. Rugged, but also refined, Toyota Land Cruiser's chiseled design is a modern twist on a classic. Its standard LED headlights are round on the Land Cruiser 1958 grade, or rectangular on the Land Cruiser grade for a classic throwback look. Then there's the standard heritage-inspired Toyota grille, which pays tribute to Land Cruiser's rich history, all while giving it an unmistakable presence on the road. And don't forget the available rigid LED fog lights that help light the way on the trail. For an even more distinctive look, available two-tone exterior colors add an athletic touch. Meanwhile, the available roof rails and an available power liftgate bring added practicality to this head-turning package, while the available power moonroof gives the cabin an airy feel. Complementing this retro-inspired style is a modern interior, which is both premium and functional. Land Cruiser's inviting interior means that adventures come paired with comfort. Step inside using the standard Smart Key system or the available digital key compatibility with an active remote connect trial or subscription. And enjoy the standard 3-zone automatic climate control, available leather-trimmed heated and ventilated front seats, and an available center console cool box. Need to plug in while you're out unplugging? Not a problem, since there's a standard 2400-watt AC power inverter. Additionally, the available Qi-compatible wireless charger keeps mobile devices powered, while the available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and available head-up display puts key driving information in the driver's line of sight. All of this comfort and convenience is backed by a suite of impressive tech. Land Cruiser simplifies staying connected thanks to its intuitive Toyota audio multimedia system. It features a standard 8-inch or an available 12.3-inch touchscreen and includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. And wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the SiriusXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Both grades also include trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. For an immersive listening experience during those epic adventures, the available 14-speaker JBL Premium Audio System pumps out tunes in stunning clarity. Land Cruiser complements its tech with its advanced active safety and convenience systems. On the road, Land Cruiser's driver assistance features bring added peace of mind. Every grade includes Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Additionally, the standard blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert is designed to let the driver know if a vehicle has entered a blind spot, while the available multi-terrain monitor is designed to help them see what's around the vehicle. From its refined performance to its stunning, eye-catching design, Land Cruiser embodies the modern off-road SUV. It also brings strong values,